Today we're going to be making coloring pages. The materials you'll need are markers, paper, and yourself. Using a marker or pencil, trace an outline of your hand on the paper. Put your hand in a new position and repeat. You can turn the paper or move your hand. You can do this as many times as you like, but remember, the more times you trace your hand, the more spaces you'll have to color in. Once you've finished outlining, pick a few of your favorite colors. I used red, orange, green, blue, and pink. Then, color it in. You're all done! Congratulations! If you're like me and the markers don't always stay on the page, make sure to clean up any messes you made. Now you're done! And there you have it, an easy do-it-yourself coloring page. I hope y'all had fun!